They're there or there. Homophones Quiz. Fill in the blanks using the correct homophone. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. Blank, house is very big and modern. The correct answer is A, T-H-E-I-R. Blank, is someone at the front door? The correct answer is B, T-H-E-R-E. Blank, the best of friends. The correct answer is C, T-H-E-Y''R-E. Blank, car's over blank by that bus. The correct answer is A, T-H-E-I-R and T-H-E-R-E. And finally, blank, such a lovely couple. Blank, kids are cute too. The correct answer is C, T-H-E-Y''R-E and T-H-E-I-R. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more quizzes.